In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bundles on Shopify without an app. Bundles let you offer multiple products together as one listing, which can boost average order value and make shopping easier for your customers. And the good news is you can set this up using only the Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify admin so you're on the main dashboard. From there, head to the product section on the left menu. This is where all of your items live, and it's also where you'll set up the bundle as its own product. Create a new product and think of it as the container for everything included in the bundle. Give the product a clear, benefit-focused name that makes the bundle obvious, like Starter Skincare Bundle or Coffee Lovers Set. In the description, spell out exactly what's included, any sizes or flavors, how much customers save compared to buying items separately, and any special shipping or care notes. This helps reduce confusion and returns. If your bundle comes in options, use the variants section to add them. For example, you might create variants for size, scent, color, or roast level. Each variant can have its own price, SKU, and image, so customers can choose the configuration that fits them without leaving the bundle page. Next, set the price for the bundle. A common approach is to total the individual prices and then offer a small discount to encourage the purchase. If you want to show that savings, use the compare at price field for the original total and the price field for the discounted bundle price. Don't forget to review tax settings and cost fields if you use profit reporting. Strong visuals make a big difference. Add images that clearly show all items included in the bundle. Your first image should be the hero shot, and additional images can show close-ups or alternate configurations tied to each variant. Keep lighting and backgrounds consistent so the listing looks professional. When everything looks right, click save. After saving, preview the product on your storefront to confirm the title, options, pricing, and images display the way you expect. One important note, because this method treats the bundle as a single product, Shopify won't automatically reduce inventory for each individual item when a bundle sells. Plan to update stock manually or with your existing workflow. That's it, you've created a compelling bundle without installing any apps.